Let's compare the flower field die from Sizzix with the Wildflower stems set number 1. Now there are 5 different floral designs in the Wildflower stems, whereas there's 1 die in the flower field. And you can see when I put them side by side that there's quite a bit of difference in the scale. You could take that flower field and start cutting up those flowers and cutting them apart to use them individually. But first of all, they're quite small, as well as the fact that they're attached in several different places. So it would make it a little bit more or harder and a little bit more finicky. I love using the Wildflower stems, just a stem or 2 on the front of a card. They're nice and easy to cut out, and they're also fairly easy to get out of the die, although here I'm in a rush and I ended up ripping a couple petals off. You'll see as soon as I put it on the, or I pull it out, that there's a petal off there. But once you've got them die cut, you can leave them as is. You can use inks to ink them up. They're nice and easy to ink up. I do ink from the bottom of the stem up because that stem tends to be a little bit fine and narrow. So you don't want to be a little bit too aggressive and end up breaking that stem. It would be very easy to do. These are also great dies for cutting different cardstocks as well. I usually use regular cardstock and ink it, but you could also use glitter cardstock or vellum or whatever you want. There's a lot of different variety to these different dies and gives you a lot of possibilities for creativity.